everyone, so this is a little quick fitness video if you are struggling with your double leg raise or any core exercise you feel your lower back is hurting. So it could be one of the reasons is you're not properly engaging your core, and what you're doing is hyperextending your back as you go into your double leg raise or any core exercise which involves lifting your legs off the ground. So when I'm lying on the mat or on the ground, my lower back is just slightly off the ground in the natural supine position, and it was okay. Because I lift my legs off the ground, or one leg, I have to engage my core. Or if I lift it, some people will hyperextend their legs or push their back up a wee bit more off the ground as they lift the legs up to try and compensate. So there's a big gap. Put my entire hand underneath now where as I lift my legs up. And over time, if I do this, I put a lot of strain on my lower back. So to come to it, I need to engage my core first before I lift off the ground. So my lower back is gently pushed into the mat. This can help squeeze my core muscles. I breathe out, I squeeze them. So again, I imagine pushing my hip bones together in your mind, pushing my ribs down towards your hips, or tightening my core area. No, imagine something a bit punchy. So that's nice and tight. And as I lift now, there's not much room for my hand to get underneath. Okay, there's still a little gap there. There's not a big arch off the ground. As I lift my legs up and down, I contract my core, so I squeeze it up. I can relax a bit more the way down and recover and reset if I need. But I can keep it nice and tight. Again, depending on how strong your core is and where you are in your fitness. My core is nice and secure now, and this protects my back. So I'm working my core, but also protecting my lower back as I go through my leg raise. Similar to any exercise, so again, look at the knee tucks. Lower back again is here. Nice comfortable here. This should be the comfort position with your knee tucks. If I extend my legs out, you might, if your core isn't engaged, you might tense up your lower back to compensate if your core is not switched on. But if your core is switched on, and then as you extend the limbs out, my lower back is nice and protected as my core is nice and tight and protected. So again, sort of both sides, you want to protect, so engage that core, protect that back. Okay, so if you find your lower back is paining when you're doing double leg raises or knee tucks or anything like that there, just slow the exercise down. Make sure you engage the core first, tighten that core, and then lift it and see if there's a difference. See if your lower back is a little bit more relaxed, but more protected. Over time that might help. And again, of course, it will strengthen that core. And again, making sure we're working our lower back as well through different exercises. Don't just work the front, work the back as well. So again, they're nice and balanced is the key. Lower back muscles have to be worked as well as your front core muscles, okay?